me wonder who you might be playing with. Makes me wonder who you think.
Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it. I've been to New York and I've been to Houston and nothing's better than you, girl. Came to conclusion, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Girl, I know you're 22 and you've seen something that you never should have been exposed to. Yeah, who I got protect you when you feel you are in danger. You know what I know, no new man, you know I'm not stranger. You want to know what you're comfortable. You want to believe it, you're comfortable. I know, I can't let you go. I know. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it.
Oh my God, Chloe. I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turns out I'm the nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even give it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed really honest, turning in a given time. Personal problems, pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as you used to be, this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing to run down.
Good morning and happy Sunday. Today is Sunday, January 21st, I think. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But I am on my way to the studio. So this weekend was my kid-free weekend, and I ended up going out last night with my cousin and my friends. We had a good time. We went to a noodle bar called Mecca. I did not like my order. I don't even remember what it was called, but I did not like my ramen at all. The broth was like creamy. My friend's pho looked amazing. Like her broth was really good, so I'm gonna get that if I ever go back there again. Okay, so we're here and my cousin gave me this desktop computer. I'm about to situate my desk, see how it looks up there. I know I'm gonna have to move my whiteboard up or somewhere else, but I don't even know if I'm keeping my desk here permanently, so we'll figure that out now. I am out of breath from them stairs, and I also need to put some stuff away. So I had a facial yesterday. I cleaned out all my implements and bowls and stuff like that and left them there to dry. So I'm going to put those away. I also always hang dry my towels that I use for that service, and then I throw them in my laundry bag because, again, we don't want, obviously we don't want wet stuff lying inside of our laundry bag. So all right, so this is how it's looking right now. I gotta finish cleaning it off later, and I definitely have to move my whiteboard up or over. I'll figure that out later. From this, just a basic nude, and all my fellow lash techs know what this is about. If it'll focus, there we go. Yeah, I know what this is about. All right, so I'm just putting something on my laptop to watch. And then we're going to get right into this nail set. trying to position it so like you could still see me, but y'all don't need to see me, right? See where my natural nails are? They're growing so much. Eventually I'm gonna soak these off and just do my natural nail. Show your client some love on Valentine's Day, or should we say Galentine's Day? My laptop is acting crazy. I am super excited because my Canva order came in and I can't wait to show you guys what I'm going to do with these. So let's open this together. Oh, and they come with envelopes. How cute. So these are going to be my client Valentine's Day gifts, and you see that there's a space right here above my hand where I'm looking like I'm holding something up. You'll see what that's going to be in a second. On the back, I've got my QR code so you can go straight to the website. And I thought this was so cute. I didn't realize they were going to be this big, which is fine. This will still work out. I just don't know if they're going to fit into these baggies. I don't think they are. So what I think I'm going to do is what I was going to do in the first place. This will just be separate, and they'll get the card and the candy in this bag. And yeah. So what I'm going to do is I got to go get more of these. I thought I went and got some more. I just have this here. Okay, so I gotta get more of these stickers, but these are scratch stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree, and each one of these will have like a different percentage or dollar amount that they can take off their next appointment. And just a nice little treat, like $5 off, $10 off, $15 off, so you don't know what you're gonna get until you scratch off. And then, like I said, they'll have like a little candy treat in those bags. So I'm excited for these. They are so cute. Let me show you guys how I'm gonna do it. Okay, so for example, I'm going to measure out where this heart is gonna go up here. So I'll put my, so basically I have to write within this space right here. So let's say I'm gonna do $5 off. Let's say we're gonna take this card right here, and for this particular one, I'll just say $5 off. Now let's hope this fits over it. And it does. So now they're going to take whatever item that they're going to use to scratch, and it'll reveal $5 off underneath. How cute is that? Just a little small token of appreciation to my clients. Some of these are also going to be for potential clients, so I'm just going to hand them out. I can't find the one that I originally made, but let's just go and create one. So I did Valentine's Day templates, and you can really just pick whatever you want. Let's just pick this one. Customize. All right, so what I'm going to do is remove the lettering for right now. And I have Canva Pro, just so you guys know. Okay, right? You can put your website down here or any type of wording you want to do. I just did Be My Client up there with an XOXO at the bottom, and that was literally it for the front. And so I'm going to add a photo, click Uploads, and I'm going to click, okay, let's just click anything, right? So say this is a photo that I want to use, which it isn't, but since my hand is up, you'll get the gist of it. I'm going to click right here to edit photo. Going to remove the background. And this is how it's going to look. And then I'm going to adjust it to whatever size I would like it to be. And basically you're going to take a picture where you can put your hand out, you can put both of your hands out. If you want something right above in this area, if you want something similar to this, that's how you're going to do it. So you just want to have like enough space to put an object there, a sticker there, whatever you want. You can even tape a piece of candy there. What I did when I went into the printing area, I did print with Canva. I might have done postcards. So you can do all kinds of stuff, but I think I did postcards, so let's click that. Resize my design. You can also do this like when you're selecting your template. Excuse me. So you see here it allows you to have your front and back page. So if I wanted to add a back page, I went here and this is my blank back page. If I want to add a QR code like I did here, all you're going to do is go down to, okay, so it's under apps. So you're going to click QR code, open, and then you're going to start typing in your URL. So let's say if it's www.luxaesthetics.com, generate code. And here we are with the QR code. I always test my QR code before I finalize my printing. You can add whatever else you want here. I just also added my website below just because, you know, you might have an older client or somebody who is not as savvy, or maybe their phone is not working properly enough to click on the QR code. So that's it, you guys. That's how I created this. And thought it was a really cute, fun idea for your clients. Lastly, I ended up adding this with my label maker, which I thought was dead, but it's not. But anyway, I could have done the numbers with that. That's okay. But I ended up adding this because I realized I don't have any instructions on the actual card. And not everybody's going to know that this little heart is a scratch-off heart. So I'll also tell my clients in person, but I thought that was a cute touch. And thank goodness for Uber Eats. My lunch is here, girl. This looks so freaking good.